So, hello my friends, Daniel here. Now I want to show or explain you the strategy what I told you with the first 10 minutes and the 0-0 at the correct score market. The first point what is very important is that we need a game which has a huge liability on the 0-0. The reason is that we try to use advantage of this odd of the 0-0. I have seen at many games if there is a huge amount of money and the 0-0 is staying a long time on the same odd at the starting odd at the beginning, and after 10 minutes the odd falls down. Okay, and this is our advantage what we need to, or what we try to use. For this reason, it's very important that we have a huge amount of money on 0-0 waiting before we enter in the market. You see here on this side the sheet from Luso Gambler. I now try to use it with real money, not with play money. I lay here with 20 euros at the odd of 4.4. So you see I have now a liability of 68 euros, and at the odd of that try to get in at 29, we have to try to use the lower odd, not to lay at 30. I try to get in at 29. If in 1 minute I'm not matched, I have to enter in the market at 30. The reason is if the match begins, you have to be in the market. If a goal happens in the first minute, that you can save your bet. So I enter in the market with 71.24. So at 29, I try to get in. What I have to explain, if in the first 10 minutes no goal happens, we will earn 20 euros minus commission. And you see here, now I'm fully matched at 29. We have 30 seconds left before the game has kickoff. You see here in the ladder interface that if the odd has reached 22, we are in minus. Okay, our profit, our potential profit is now, if the odd holds on, still 23, so we can close the trade latest 23. This will be our potential profit. Okay, if the odd goes lower than 22, we make definitely a minus. So this is very important to understand. For this reason, it's very important that here the money is waiting to get matched. Now I have to look that we don't miss our okay, here are some further bets. That we don't miss the 11th minute. Normally, if there is minute 11, the odd goes up to 1000, and if this happens, we have immediately to close our trade. Okay. So, but what you see now here, I will take it here, that you see it here. Now we have the first minute. And for us, this is very important that this odd stays as long as possible on the starting odd to make money with them. Okay, if you here have a low amount of money, you will definitely make a minus. The reason is that the odd will fall down too fast. Okay, and we don't have an advantage between these two markets. Okay, but you can see here, if I close now the trade in this moment, I can make a profit of 2.75 euros, and I can close my trade without a minus. I can close my trade now already at the odd of 29. Okay, You see that? So this is very, very important that you understand. If the odd is falling down to 23 and we can close latest at 23, we will make only a profit of 20 euros from this Marcus minus commission, and we lose here 18 euros on the correct score market. Okay. What I can say for which game will qualify for this kind of strategy is when you see here Liverpool is the strong favorite in this game, and so many people don't believe that the game could end 0-0. Okay, so for this reason the odd will stay at 0-0 a long time. If we have a game which is equal, okay, where no strong favorite is in a game, the odd will fall down very fast at the 0-0 because people are thinking it's more possible to get the end result 0-0. Okay. So now we're in the third minute, and you can still already see that we here always in the same range like the starting odd is. So it's still matched here 29. Yeah, so we can wait what happens in the next few minutes. I will make a break here, and if the 11th minute has reached, I will come back. Okay. Okay, I want to show you here. Now we have the 4th minute, and you see it's still already a huge amount waiting here on the odd of 28, and a huge amount waiting on 27, and a huge amount waiting on 26. So this is a good sign for us that we can close, or that we can make a profit if no goal happens in the first 10 minutes. So we are now in the 5th minute playing in the game. If a goal happens now, we have no risk. So we will lose here 68 euros on the first 10 minutes. But we have laid here 71.24, so the 0-0 is not longer possible, and we will get back our loss. So we get 71 euros minus commission, it's 68 euros. And our potential profit is still already in this range. Okay, so if I can close maybe at 25 or possible 26, perfectly at 27, I will get here 20 euros and I will lose here only 5 euros. Okay, so let us see in 5 minutes what's happened. So I've changed a little bit the interface now, that you see here what we can win at 0-1, and here what we can win if the game will not end in the 10 minutes with a goal. So, well, we are now finally have reached the time before this market has been, before this market has won. But you can see here the odd has come down a little bit to 25 now. But we have here still already a profit. If I can close the trade at 24, possible at 25, it will be really fine. Maybe at 24 now. So I can close it with a minus of 14 euros, but I will win here around 20 minus commission. So we are still in profit. So now it's closed. You see here, we have here now 1000. If this odd is reached 1000, it's not longer possible that this could be happen. So you see, immediately I closed my trade here at 24. Okay, I'm not waiting longer because my my profit is only 2 ticks now. So if it reached 22, I'm in minus. So I closed here with 24, And we have now a risk-free profit of around 5 euros of 20, so it's a good possibility to make money. You see, this market is not longer possible, so we get 20 euros on this market, and I closed here with a minus of 14.88 at this odd. So you can see here so we entered in the market at 29 and we closed it at 24, and this range up to 22 was our possible profit. Okay, what we can do with this strategy. Very, very important. One more is that on this side, on the lay side, is a huge amount waiting that we can do this strategy, and that we have a favorite here in this game. So you can see here Liverpool is the favorite in this game. If the game is too equal, we have the problem that the odd fall downs too fast. So you need a really good, or a good favorite in this game that you can use this strategy. Okay.